Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you're all fine. Welcome to your online class, and today our topic is convection. You have to keep in mind the difference between conduction and convection. ये दोनों different terms हैं और दोनों के different meanings हैं. Okay, let's start. Okay, first the definition of convection. Convection is the transfer of heat from one place to another by the movement of gas and liquid particles. अब convection होती कैसी है? It only occurs through convection currents. The continuous cycle of heating, rising, cooling and sinking is called convection current. अब आप लोगों ने confuse नहीं होना in between two terms, convection और conduction. Conduction होती है solids में और convection होती है gases और liquids में. Now we have to discuss convection in detail with the help of three examples: electric kettle, heater, land and sea. Okay, firstly the convection current in electric kettle. You can see in the picture warm molecules and cool molecules have been shown. Now, the heating element is always placed at the bottom of the kettle so that hot water at the bottom, which is less dense, will rise up. Cooler water at the top, which is denser, will sink to the bottom. This is how convection current is set up to heat up the water. Okay, heater works on the same phenomena as I have told you before. Heat energy also travels through gases because room can be warmed by a heater. Warm air is less dense than cold air, so the warm air above the heater rises and is replaced by denser cold air. This is how convection current is set up and air circulates around the room. Okay, last example is the land and sea. According to this diagram, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे warm air जो है वो land से आ रही है और cool breeze जो है वो sea से आ रही है. And this is how a convection current is set up. During the day, land is heated by the sun much more quickly than the sea. This sets up a convection current, so air moves in from the sea. When damp air from over the sea rises, it cools to form clouds. Okay, now we have test yourself questions and we will discuss each question one by one. So let's start. Okay, question number 1 is, why can liquids and gases carry heat? The answer is, liquids and gases may be poor conductors of heat, but they can carry heat because their particles are free to move around. Question number 2. Explain how a heater warms all the air in a room. The answer is, warm air is less dense than cold air. So warm air above the heater rises and is replaced by denser cold air. As is the water in the kettle, a convection current is set up and air circulates around the room. Question number 3. Why do you think it takes a long time to heat a room with high ceilings? The answer is, in rooms with high ceilings, it takes longer for the warm air to rise to the ceiling and for the cold air to come to take its place. Question number 4. Why do you think convection cannot happen in solids? The answer is, convection cannot happen in solids because the particles are held in a framework and cannot move around as they do in liquids and gases. That's it. Hope you like the video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.